How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with an all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays, I showcase a particular single-section home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. This Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Del Norte. I am back again with an all-new episode of Single Section Sunday. And yes, I am back with an all-new model by the name of the Del Norte. So if you're currently in the market for a two-bedroom, two-bathroom home, then this one may be the one for you. And if you subscribe like you should be, then you know we listen to you. Those of you who are subscribed, we take your comments and we tweak our homes to make it very livable long-term for you. And before I go any further, I like to get right into the price. This Del Norte is 16 wide, 68 feet long, and that's going to include the 8-foot front porch, and it's on sale today for $125K. $125,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. Let's start here on the exterior. Now, of course, you come to Recreational Resort Cottages because you love the cottage style concept, meaning the front porch, the dormer windows in the living room, it looks like a cottage and not like your traditional long limousine mobile home. With that said, we've dressed it up right here today with the Sheffield gray exterior base color, garlic clove trim that you'll see on your doors, windows, as well as your porch posts. We have the black metal railing on the porch, and then we've topped it all off with a Gavaloon metal roof. And if you're familiar with us and subscribe like you should be, you should know our exterior siding has a 50-year warranty and our metal roof has a, 30-year warranty. And that's on top of the 30-year warranty on the composite decking. So I can talk about that all day long, but go ahead and follow me up onto the porch so you can get a great look of this porch and this decking. And you'll see here, we have the open gable right here on the front porch. All we have is the beam going across, and then when you have 8 feet of exterior living space, that gives you so much space out here to accommodate exterior furniture. Whether you want to put a couple rocking chairs up here, you want to put a swing up here, you can do all of the above right here on the Del Norte. Then of course on the front wall, we've chosen to have the 36-inch blinds and glass front door. I love that option because it gives you the privacy that you need when you need it, and it gives you the open and airy concept when you need that, because you can simply let the blinds up that are inside the window. Works great if you have pets as well. If you got a dog, loves barking and messing up your blinds, or even a little child, grandkid, so on and so forth, they can't get those blinds inside here. And then on the front wall, sometimes we have a bump out. On this particular model, we chose to keep it flat. No bump out on this model at all. You'll also see on the exterior porch, we have can lights on each side, as well as it is wired and braced for a ceiling fan or light fixture of your choice. Now go ahead and follow me inside and you'll see what's so great about this Del Norte all new floor plan. Now we're on the interior of the Del Norte, and you'll see as soon as you enter this home, you're getting that character that you're looking for, a house to call a home right here in the living area. First off, you walk in and the focal point is going to be this LED fireplace with the logs, and it does put off heat. And yes, we have put the real stone, Austin stone, surrounding your interior fireplace. We've also have the spacing up above for you to place your TV, whether you want to sit it here on the countertop or mount it on the wall. You can do either. You have 3 transoms up above that, and then of course the vaulted ceiling that leads directly to your 3-blade ceiling fan in black, sitting on your unique wood beam that runs down the center of the home. Amazing concept there, amazing feel, and makes it feel so much larger in this particular home right here today. Also, in the living area, look at the flooring. We have solid surface flooring going from front to back of this model. And giving so much space that you have here in this home, you're going to have all of this area here that you can accommodate a large sofa. And when I say large, we put the biggest one that we had in stock just to be able to show you how much space you have to accommodate. I may not have it set up this way because I would like to have more of a view in my living room of these amazing picture windows that are on the side, but the transom windows up top are going to bring in a lot of natural light for you as well. There's a window right up front that is coming from the front main wall, and then of course all of this opens up this floor plan and makes it feel so much larger here today in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, mid-sized cottage. Now if we take it from the living area, let's talk about the dining area. And you'll see that you have a large island right here in this particular model. You're going to have enough space that you can accommodate up to 4 stools with ease right here. And we've matched the unique wood beam with the unique wood legs of your islands right here for you also. And what I love is you have all of the space right here to prep and eat at with the island, but then you also have the area right here to place a dining table. What we've done in this model is typically we would have a sliding glass door here. I've read the comments. I know what you've been saying. You said, Mr. Tiny, what about if I don't want a sliding glass door there? Could I please have some windows instead? Looks like I made it happen for you. So we have your windows right here so you do not have to worry about the foot traffic of going in and out if you were to place a dining room table in front of this area. So we went ahead and added that for you. I hope you like that arrangement. Also, we have a 6-door pantry right here in your built-in hutch. Typically, we would have this counter running all the way to the wall to give you the space there. But in this one, we gave you a little bit more cabinet space. So you have the 6-door pantry there. We have the coffee bar centered. So you have a little night light right there so you can make sure you can see and mix your drinks and everything you need to do. And then right here, we'll see the cabinetry up top, the microwave centered, and then the additional cabinetry down below. Now, if you follow me around, you'll see the front side of the island where you're going to have, again, a ton of storage space in this home. You're going to have 4 drawers up top, 4 cabinets down below, and then my favorite feature in the island is going to be your trash can department. So you can put that right there. And this is not even getting into the main section of the kitchen where you actually have all of your usable options, such as your dual basin sink that's finished out in brushed nickel. You also are going to have the window there up above your kitchen sink that you can look out onto your property and enjoy the view. We do have the silk gray backsplash running from the countertop up to the bottom of the cabinet, as well as the summer carnival countertop. So that again has more hues of the tan and the browns, but there is some small hues of the gray tone as well that will bring out some of that backsplash for you. Also see stainless appliances in this model. We have dishwasher, smooth top oven, the stone crest, Venta hood with the glass top. Then we'll take it on down right here to the side-by-side fridge with the ice in the door. So you see that we have that for you. And if that wasn't enough, we had to go ahead and add in some additional cabinetry here with another hutch space. Countertop here, 2 cabinets down below, as well as 2 drawers and 2 more cabinets up top. And guys, real quick, I want to tell you, for anyone that is not liking the long form content, you can run on over to Instagram or TikTok and watch the 2-minute versions of these videos right now. So don't forget that, at the Mr. Tiny. Now, for those of you that love the long form, continue to follow me. So you come right through here and you'll see that we have the bathtub tub shower combo with the fiberglass finish. Works great, especially if you want to clean very easily, don't have to worry about all the grout and things like that when you upgrade to the tile shower. This gives a great option there. We also have the transom window there up above the tile shower, or excuse me, tub shower. And then we also have the linen cabinet right here with the adjustable shelving up above your toilet, and then the wood trimmed mirror here in your guest bathroom. Follow me on back. We're not done yet. What's this door lead to? Let's see. Oh yeah, add more pantry space, more storage. Yes, you asked for it and you shall receive. I want you to make sure you can store everything you need to in this Del Norte. Then right here in the 2nd bedroom, You'll see here, this is going to be the guest room where the window is here off the side wall. You have enough space in here to accommodate, I would say, a full-size bed. I wouldn't personally go any larger than that just because I would like to have some walkability, but we do have your TV placement right here on the wall for your convenience. And then right here in the closet, you'll see that you have the area for your hanging as well as your storage. So great closet there, actually a lot deeper than I was expecting once we had it here arrive on the lot. So you'll see that. And then we'll come on back. The built-in desk space where you're going to have drawers on each side, 3 drawers there for you. The space down below, easily able to roll in a chair, roll in an office chair, have dual monitors. You have cabinetry on each side there for you with the additional adjustable shelving up top. Window there, so while you're working, you can look out onto your property and enjoy that. We'll take it on back and you'll see as well, side-by-side washer and dryer area. A lot of times in the single sections, you're going to have the stackable washing machine and dryer. We've listened to you. We've went ahead and added the side-by-side additional storage up top with the rods. And this is where things get real different in this model. Here across from that, we have 6-door linen. So we have that here for you. And I'll show you a little surprise in a second where we have this on one side because we did not add access from the hall into the bathroom. We wanted to keep it private and secluded for you, so we chose to add the 6-door linen there. And then we'll take it on back to the primary bedroom. And here in the bedroom space, you'll see that we have enough space in this bedroom to accommodate any size bed that you wish. Also, the vaulted ceilings continue with the 3-blade ceiling fan, white blades. And then what we've done a little differently is if you notice in the main area, there was not a rear door. You're wondering where it went. We've added it right here in the primary bedroom. So that way, any of you that are looking to build a deck on site, an additional set of custom steps, anything like that, you can have that option right here from your primary bedroom. And then of course, we look from this direction, we have the dual closets. Those are going to be barn doors on each side. So you'll see those slide open, and they do have the lights inside. So that way you can make sure you can see all of your clothes and everything that you need stored lovely right in there for you. 4-drawer dresser centered there with the space up above. And then we'll take it into your private bathroom right here off of your primary, where you're going to have the additional countertop here, the 4-drawer bank down below, and then a linen cabinet up above your toilet. And then this was what I was talking about earlier, is you're going to have the 6-door linen right here in your bathroom. We've added it on each side, so you do have that option in there just to give you more storage. Sometimes it's better to have too much than not enough. So in this one, the Del Norte, you're definitely getting a lot of storage. And then right here in your primary bathroom shower, we have the vintage lace tile running in a horizontal pattern. This is going to go all the way around from the shower pan up to the ceiling, rain shower head up above that. I'm around 6'1", so you can see no matter the height, you can make sure you get a nice clean shower in here, and then the transom window there as well, bringing in some light. And I love the rolling glass door, very elegant. So then we'll take it back through. You guys follow me back to the front of the home, and we'll see in here that we'll have so much space here that it opens up as you walk back through. Again, because the Del Norte is still a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, mid-sized cottage, you have space for everything that you're looking for. Guest bedroom, desk area, additional storage, pantry, all of the above is going to be in here for you. And then we'll take it back through the main area. You'll see here we have the large island again, and then it opens right back up into your living area. So you guys follow me over here, and let's go ahead and end it right here in the Del Norte. So if you enjoyed this video tour today, all I need you to do is run down to the comment section and let me know what your favorite feature of the Del Norte was. At this home coming in at 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, with the 8-foot front porch, 16 wide, 68 feet long at $125K, I don't think you're finding a better deal today. So you guys let me know if you enjoyed this. If you did, Run down to the comment sections, let me know. Also hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in purchasing the Del Norte today, you can run on over to Instagram or TikTok at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Del Norte as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram or TikTok. So you can contact me day or night and I'll make sure that price is right. Until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.